Hi everybody, welcome to Meditate with Medicine Shoppe during the Ride Don't Hide 2021 campaign. I'm Nikita and I'm a yoga and meditation instructor, and in collaboration with Canadian Mental Health Association and the Medicine Shoppe, I am honored to offer you the third of 3 meditations this week. These meditations are to promote mental health during the Ride Don't Hide campaign. So I would first like to respectfully acknowledge the land that I'm filming from. It is the unceded traditional territory of the Comox First Nation, who are the traditional keepers of this land. The Medicine Shoppe has proudly sponsored CMHA for the last 10 years and the Ride Don't Hide campaign for the last 3 years. Now more than ever, Medicine Shoppe pharmacies' health is their priority, especially during these times when many of us don't feel like ourselves. The Medicine Shoppe pharmacy plays an important role in providing support to patients and their loved ones struggling with mental health concerns in and out of the pharmacy. The Ride Don't Hide campaign is a way to take care of yourself and the community. So don't forget to donate today at the website and to hashtag Ride Don't Hide. This helps you to take care of yourself as well as those around you and the community at large. So I invite you to this meditation. If you feel comfortable, close your eyes. Make sure you're in an upright position, so allow your shoulders to be soft down your back. And when you feel like you've finally sort of settled and arrived, begin to tune into how the body is feeling today. Pay attention to the way you are breathing. And pay attention to the way the body is feeling. And if you tuned in before, you may remember the long, slow breath. So you can begin with these. Begin to inhale, fill from the bottom of the belly all the way to the chest, the lungs, all the way up to the throat. And on the exhale, release from the throat, the chest, the lungs, lastly, all the air out of the belly. Inhale, fill from the bottom all the way to the top. And exhale, release from the top all the way down to the bottom. You may want to inhale to the count of 4. And you may want to exhale to the count of 4 or 5 or 6. And know that by focusing on the breath and focusing in these moments, you are allowing yourself to practice focus in your life. And pay attention to how the breath feels as it comes into the body, nourishing all the cells and the organs. And notice how you feel when the breath exits the body, allowing the belly button to contract towards the spine, preparing you for another full, nourishing breath in. Beautiful. You may want to place your hand on your heart and allow the shoulders to soften even further down the back. Allow the temples, the jaw to soften, the forehead to soften. And notice any thoughts that are arising in the head, in the mind, and without pushing them away or judging or labeling them, just allow them to come and go. Notice Notice the sensation of your hand on your heart, maybe giving yourself some gentle pressure as a way to feel held and cared for by yourself. And know that as the thoughts arise in the mind, you can have some gentle compassion towards yourself. Without identifying with the thoughts, identifying with the feelings or judgments, just notice and then give yourself a little compassion, allowing them to bubble up and then fizzle out. Always coming back to this sensation of the breath. What does it feel like as it enters the nose, as it fills the chest, and as it lengthens into the belly? And how does it feel as it leaves the belly? As the chest begins to exhale and all the air is released, ready for the next nourishing breath. Beautiful. Notice any emotions arising in the body. And similar to the practice with your thoughts, allow them to come and go like waves, noticing that they can come and arise, and we don't need to hold them. We can allow them to float by like clouds in the sky. And as some feelings may want to stick around, feel the sensation of your hand on your heart, giving yourself a little compassion. Knowing that whatever is arising for you is exactly what is meant to arise. And you get to always come back to the breath. Come back to the compassion you have for yourself with your hand on your heart. Again, noticing the sensation of the breath as it fills the body, nourishing all the cells, all the organs. And the sensation as it leaves the body, getting ready for another cleansing breath. And allow yourself this time in silence to observe the coming and going of all thoughts, feelings, and sensations, and gently directing the mind back to the breath. I will sound a gong at the end of our session, so please take this time for yourself. Begin to open your eyes. You may have a soft gaze. May feel good to roll your shoulders back a few times. Maybe take a big stretch. Reach your arms overhead. Do whatever feels good for you. Thank you so much for joining me today, and stay tuned for more activities to come for the month of June. Thank you so much.